In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can delete the background of your Canva design. So this method can be applied to a background regardless if the background was just a solid color, gradient, or even an image. So let me show you how you can delete the background. First, you have to click on the background. If you can identify the background, you can click on it and it will usually reveal this tiny thin border that is usually in purple. That means the background is being selected, and after that you can right click on it and then you can click delete background or press the keyboard shortcut delete on your keyboard. And there you go. Now the background is done, but of course the other elements are still there. And by the way, you can also click on this background color to change the background color to whatever color that you find would be the best for the design. But that's basically it. But what would happen if you cannot really access this background? Let's say there could be a lot of elements on top of it and you really cannot click on the background, or you cannot select the background. Well, if that was the case, I do recommend this method. First, you have to click on any element of the design of the page and then click on position, go to layers, and I do recommend to scroll to the very bottom until you find this element, this layer. This is usually the background represented by this icon. It means this is the background. Now you can click on it, and finally you can right click and click delete background, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut delete on the keyboard, and there you go. This again can be applied even if the background was an image. So that's exactly how you can delete a background in your Canva document.